Okay, so the ordinary level question 1, 2012 is letterbox. So an elevation in the direction of arrow A and in the elevation in B means we're getting 4 dimensions. So the back surface S is vertical as shown. Okay, so the end of the roof is flush with the back surface. So which means there's an overhang here. If the overall length of the roof is 140, that's 125, that's an overhang of 15 in there. What else do we need to know? We need to get the overall height. How we get that is come up 115 and come up at 45 degrees. Okay, and then they tell us that the overall width of the roof is 120. So we can get that along our wall plate level 120 here, from this point to this point. Come back up at 45 degrees. And then for our little letter slot here, come down 30 off the wall plate level. Okay, and then up 20. We use this line, it should be 10 between these box here. Okay, let's get to work on that. So go and draw an arrow A first of all, front elevation. So B is coming out this way, so B is going to be the right hand side of it. So I'm going to start this over, and overall height is 115. I'm down, give or take 45 degrees. So we'll allow for 60. So I'll come down about 200 from the XY line. Okay, so I'm going to draw a front section here first of all, so it's overall with 200. Come up 115. Okay, so from our 2 points here, I'm going to come up 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Okay. That's going to give us our inside leaf here. Okay, so to get the outside leaf, they haven't given us the thickness here. So what I've done, I'm going to put a center line up through. We're going to come out 60 either side. Okay. So I'm going to come out 60 for a center line. Oh, thanks. 60. 60. Okay, so now we can also bring them back up at 45 degrees. And 45 degrees. That is our roof. Yeah, so that is the roof. So next we'll look at this the window here. So it's up 10 and then up 65 and out 30 either side of the central line. Up 30. Up 10 and then 65. Okay. So our slot is in line with our window here. So we're going to come up 10 and then of 20. Up to n of 20. That is our slot. So that is our front elevation. Definite lines. So that is our front elevation. Okay, let's move on to our end elevation now. We bring over project these lines across and our overall height. Okay, so this surface here, so as we're looking in the direction of our B, our left hand side is going to be one solid line, okay, because it's all flush. So do that here now. Okay, then the overall length of the bottom of our letterbox is 125, so do that. 125, and that can come up as far as our wall plate height. Okay, and then we know the overhang is 15, because the overall length of our roof is 140, so just double check that, 140, yeah. Now, so for our little slot here, okay, so the distance it's out 15, so we can do that, which is the same distance our roof is out, so we'll just bring that back down. It's like construction line, and we know that it's coming out from our 10 line at the bottom, back. Okay, so we have that here. So we've got a hidden detail here. This is where the gable extends up the way, front gable. And that is our birdhouse finish, so we'll put in a few dimensions. Our letterbox here, see. So that's 125, 25, and this is 100, 100, and do the big one here. Degrees, and I will do height. Okay. That's 173. So that is our 2012 question 1 early level finished.